welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get these big, voluminous beach waves, partly overnight. So if this is something that you're interested in, please keep watching. So to start this look off, you're going to want to detangle your hair first and use some sort of smoothing oil so that your hair is not frizzy the next day. So I just put in the Sexy Hair Love Oil in my hair to smooth it all out. And then you'll just want to brush your hair out. And then make sure your hair is about 75% dry so that you're not sleeping with a wet head, because it's not good to sleep with it wet. All right, and I have a special guest today. My husband!
What's up, everyone?
So I can braid my hair myself and I can do a French braid, but he is actually a lot better at braiding my hair. So he's gonna do it for me.
So I'm gonna do a little teaching lesson here. So I'm gonna need you to face that way.
Okay.
So all you guys, if you wanna impress your lady, you can braid her hair for her so that she can get this look. So what you're gonna do, pretty simple. You just want to get 3 pieces, try and get them as even volume as possible. Put one over there, get another one. Go ahead and place the other one over there. So you're gonna have 3 pieces. You're gonna have your middle piece. You wanna try and get it high up against the head. Got your middle piece. You got your left piece. Now, I always go left to right. So
I do too.
Your left to cross over the middle. And now your left is going to become your middle piece. Your middle is going to become your left. And your right is going to become your right. So we cross the left over. Now you cross the right over. Try and pinch the hair, keep it separate so that way you don't grab the same strand. And then whatever piece is on top, from left to right, you just cross it over and pull it tight. So this is going to take a hot second. I think I'm already messing up. It's okay, no big deal.
I'm just nervous.
There we go. So once you get the top part, then you should be able to work your way down. And what I always find is that there always tends to be 1 or 2 pieces that's longer than the other. So you're going to have some room at the bottom. Now I'm trying to get this as tight as possible.
Why is that?
So that when you go to sleep, you can wake up the next day and your hair will be all crimpy.
No, not crimpy. Wavy.
Wavy, yeah, that's what I meant. I obviously did not go to school for cosmetology. I don't know the fun terms.
Where did you learn how to braid? I forgot.
I watched you braid our niece's hair, Jocelyn.
Oh, that's right.
And then Jocelyn let me braid her hair one time, and then I got addicted to it. It's actually kind of fun. It's a little stress reliever, honestly. Kind of, if you're the type of person that likes to see things come together, then you can do this.
And it's hard for me to do, and it hurts my arms after a long time, so it helps me.
Yep, so one side's bigger than the other. That's okay, so I'll go ahead and ponytail it off. I just try to get as much as possible, but you want to leave just a little bit at the bottom so you can secure the hair tie. What I always do is I pinch it at the bottom, and you just kind of just like do stuff like this. You don't want to get it so tight that she can't take it out the next day, but you want to get it tight enough that it's going to actually hold the braid. And voila.
Ta-da! Doesn't it look good? Wow. So good. Thank you. Bye. This is how it turned out. And then it's okay to leave the ends out because then the next day you can go in and always fix that. So it doesn't have to be perfect, just enough that it gives you a nice loose wave. You can always do 2 braids, or you can even do 2 on each side if you wanted. I just like 1 braid because I like more of a bigger wavy look. I'm not a huge fan of the crimped look. So that's why I just did 1. But that's completely up to you. All right, guys. Well, I will see you in the morning. All right, you guys. So it is the next morning, but I went ahead and rinsed off my self-tan this morning. So my hair got a little frizzier in the shower. You'll probably see that like right here. This is how my braid looks after sleeping in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that out for you guys so you can see. All right. So this is what I end up with if I sleep with 1 braid. See all of it. So as you can see, my ends are a little straight, but I'll go ahead and touch that up. So this is what it looks like now. And honestly, you could leave it like this if you want. It's going to be a little bit straighter on the top, but if you like this look, you're pretty much done. Now I like to add a little bit more volume and texture at my root and then touch up the ends a little bit. So that's why I go in with a curling iron afterward to complete the look. All right, so now you are going to spray your hair with the heat protectant, and this is the Moroccan Oil Heat Styling Protect. So you're just gonna spray this throughout all of your hair. Let that kind of soak into your hair first. So the wand that I'm gonna use today, my cat is playing with her ball outside the door and she's trying to get my attention. The wand I'm going to use today is the Lange Luster Titanium Wand, and this is the 1 inch. And I've got this set to 350 degrees. Now for this look, I would typically use a little bit of a smaller wand, but you can always grab thinner sections and wrap them around. All right, so to get started, I'm just gonna grab a random section of my hair, grab a thin piece, make sure that your wand is facing down. You're gonna grab a piece. I like to lay it flat, like a flat wrap, because it gives me more of like a beachy look. And then you'll just keep wrapping that. And I like to leave space because that gives it more of like an effortless look rather than like a spiral curl. And as you can see, it's pretty curly right now. So you're just going to want to pull on it, let it loosen. And then again, we can always go back and brush it through, which is what I usually do. I'm going to want it to match the end. So we will just do the same thing to the bottom strand, leaving plenty of room. Let it go, and then just kind of pull on it. And loosen it up a little bit. So with this look, you're also wanting more of a natural wave. So you're going to want to alternate your curls so they're not so uniformed. So I will grab this next section, curl it forward to my face, do the same thing, wrap it once, leave plenty of space, wrap it again. Leave it on there for a second, let it go, and then just kind of pull on it. And then I'll grab the bottom section, just keep it a little bit more uniform, do the same thing, leave plenty of room. And I like to leave some space out to give it more of that beachy wave look. And then let it go. Now, as you guys can see, I have plenty of space at the ends already, but we may need to go back in and touch that up. So we're gonna grab that next section. And again, we're alternating pieces. So we're gonna take the wand, and this time we're gonna go away from our face, wrap it once, leave space, wrap it again. Let it go and pull on it. Now, normally whenever I curl my hair and I want more of a glamorous look, I will let it set in my hand so that I can cool and it'll keep the curl. This, again, you just want it to be more natural, more beachy, more effortless. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Like, I don't section my hair off for this. I just grab random pieces just throughout my hair. It does not have to be perfect. This one I'm gonna grab away from my face. Let it go. And then because all of my hair does not fit on the wand, I'm gonna do the bottom section. And again, let it go. And I like to keep all the curls near my face away. So I will curl this one away from my face. And this one fits all the way in the wand. Let it go and let it cool. It just gives you that beachy look. Now I don't want this to look perfect, so I'm not gonna curl every piece up here, just anything that you can see, like all these that are flat. And when I do this side, I grab the wand and I actually face it down like this. I know wands can be tricky, but I just find it's the easiest. The hair doesn't get in my way. So just bear with me with this cord. So this one I'm gonna do facing me. Again, leave plenty of space. And this is a pretty frizzy piece, so I will probably curl this one all the way down. It looks so weird when I hold it like this. It's like I'm stabbing somebody. And then leave that bottom section out. And then pull on it, let it go. Do the next piece. This piece we will do away from my face. Just grab the top, grab a small section, leave plenty of space. Let it sit, let go. And then I will grab the bottom half and do the same thing, just leaving out the end. Let it go. Now this gives you kind of that waver look. How wavers are back in style. This will give you that look with less effort. Because if you're like me and you have really thick hair, those take a long time to use. All right, so this piece, we will do it away because it's in front of my face and I prefer that look. Let it sit on there for a second, let it go, and then pull on it. Grab the bottom, wrap it just a little bit, leave that bottom section out, and let it go. All right, so I stood up for you guys so you could see a little bit better. There are a few ends I don't love. So it's very wavy and then just completely straight. So we're gonna go ahead and touch those up. So I'll just grab one. I'm gonna wanna try and just blend it in. So I'll go about halfway, put on the wand, leave space, and then just kind of merge those two waves together. So it blends in a little bit better. I'll grab another piece of hair. You can see that wave looks kind of weird towards the end. So we just want to make it match just a little bit more. I'm gonna grab just a random piece over here and then just kind of going to blend that in again. You guys, I try to do my own dip powder nails because I usually get them done. And I found they were actually a lot harder than I thought they were gonna be. So they're really strong, but time consuming and they're not very easy. Just want it to all flow a little better, but again, this is more of an effortless look, and it's okay if it looks messy and not perfect. So now I'm just going in and touching anything up that I don't love. You guys, this is the perfect style for summer. If you're going to the beach, if you're pretending you're going to the beach, just lay it outside. You can come back in, and it's okay if it looks messy. It does not have to be perfect. This is a good look if you're a mom and you don't have time to spend 5 hours on your hair. You can simply just braid it before you go to sleep, wake up, and then just touch up as necessary. All right, so this is how it ends up. Now, I am just going to use a beach spray. I don't use hairspray for this look because I want it to be beachy, wavy, effortless, and then more texture, and this will give you more of that texture spray. This is the Matrix Mineral Rough Me Up Salt Infused Spray. So you're just gonna spray that throughout your hair. And then I just kind of scrunch it all together. So this is how it looks, and I will let you guys see the back. Alright, so this is the completed look. The only other thing that I sometimes add is a hat. Alright guys, well if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it. Don't forget to hit the bell down below so you won't miss any of my future videos. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video.